been over here now?
Track ready.
Your name, age. Yep.
What's next? 69. Have been.
Yes, sir. I ain't changed that like the last time.
Damn, sure. Let's go back to it. Mike, hold that for me.
The funnel?
Yeah, just a little bit. I don't know exactly how.
That shit smell like Casamigos, nigga.
Hey, no, fuck that shit, nigga.
Mike, we're about to see if it's a liquor flower.
Hey, make sure ain't nothing
I'm
spilling
over
on the
here by the
floor.
liquor right now.
It is? Yeah, this should fill it all the way up right here.
35 gas station right here?
But at Joe House. I know exactly what Joe House is. Out here buying E85 at the track. Getting focused.
You got a tailgate and your buddy's got a tailgate. You're not here. You're missing out. Man, you're not here. What I'm talking about. Shame on you.
So around 8 o'clock, if you're in the middle of the line and we're calling up your class, you need to figure out a way to get over there. Just know around 8 o'clock is when we're going to start calling up all of our classes. So make sure you're prepared for that call. Try not to get stuck in lanes. I know that sometimes we have a car break or roll down and you just didn't, we don't know that's going to happen. So we do understand, but if you are stuck in the lanes and we're calling your class up, just come find one of us if you can't get away over there. We do have 4 roll classes now. We added a 130 mile per hour class for this year. Same thing as the 140, 150. If you're trapping over that mile per hour, you are out. So you can go the fastest of 130.9.
You say who good? Oh. Man, like, he better be shit. We are out here in the staging lanes. People, we out here in the staging lanes. I don't even know how to sit in this motherfucker. Got the draggy. Yeah. Track ready, got Ben.
Yeah, we out here.
Perfect 130 mile an hour.
Yo. Nah, I'm going to the thing. I'm going to over there by Kenya real quick. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, you know we out here. That was just my first run. That was just my first run right here. My boy Ben with me. Check him out. Ah, look at that. We out here, boy. We out here. Where my time slip at? Where my time slip at? My first run right here. Where we at? We hitting. Oh yeah, right there. Look at that. 134 right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First run right here. You know, we just getting started. That was the first one. Just testing tune. Make sure y'all continue to watch the video. Continue to watch.
Bring the time back on. You're driving in. You in slow motion. You're real slow.
Hey, you can send that to me too. I can use it. Hey, how you doing over here? You good? You good over here? Good over here. What is that noise?
My phone right there. My girls. They've been barbecuing
What's up,
with me.
girls? What's up?
Y'all on YouTube.
Everybody running and shit.
I need to try to record.
Not with this move.
Where the GoPro?
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we out here.
Where the GoPro?
Good campsite. Campsite right here. This is campsite.
Oh look, for that gonna set myself up. Yeah, you know, follow the IG. 302 Lil Bro.
This nigga putting it on your shirt like you got it on your shirt or some shit. Guess this is what it's like to be in this league. Good, man. You good? Car looks amazing, man. It looks amazing, for real.
Fred, remember what I said? Brake boost.
Don't be stupid. Mustang right lane, Mustang goes 139.29, and car number 459, the vet, turn on the wind line. So you get
What, let me see your time slip.
If I did 139, he had to be going to 140.
They 139, both are 139, I believe.
It was? Yeah.
Let me see. What lane was you? Left? Maybe
This ain't
right?
wind on that bitch, right?
That's on his. It's pointing to his side.
Oh, it is.
Where he went? Yeah, he went.
Oh! Look how he beat me!
You driving the hell out of it, man.
Man, look at he beat me. Look at that. By point. I lost. Look what I lost by though. Look at that shit. 139.16, 139.29.
You went faster than him though.
What?
What?
That nigga barely.
How many beat you by?
Alright guys, so we made it out to Streetcar Takeover Atlanta. We're going through the pits and woo! What do we got over here, guys? Yeah, we're showing off the
Two nightmares.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
what do we got done to it?
You
can see the twin turbos.
So, you know, on 3 turbo kids. Haven't put on a dyno yet, so I don't exactly know how much it's making right now.
What should it make? What would you be happy with?
About 950.
Okay.
About 950 to 1,000, all the way up.
What are you shooting for this weekend? Any ETs or anything you going for?
No, this is actually my first time out here. First time out here.
Hey, well, looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. Heck yeah, dude.
It's all good, man. Huh?
That's the same boat that made like 2,000. Guys, you gotta remember the starting line is
It's all good, baby. This is the one I took the loss to.
It's the Christmas tree.
It's all good. Yeah, back up. Don't come so close to people's cars.
I'm writing the winners down as they come.
Oh yeah.
These all can be.
It's all good though. We coming back. We coming back. I'm sure the time took that really was some bullshit, but it is what it is. First time out on the track.
That gets automatic, man.
Hey man, you know. Hey look, hey look, I might not even go auto no more the way I'm feeling, dude. The way I'm feeling, I might not even go auto no more.
I like that motherfucking
been
boss
out here
against
with-
everybody, nigga. Boss against anything. Boss against the world, man. 5,000, 10,000, 20. That shit don't interest me, nigga. Hey, hold on. 100K or better.
Hey, no, we coming back to him.
We gotta go back to the gym for that.
We gotta go do some reconstruction to get back on Joe. That motherfucker bad. Hell yeah. Hey Joe, you need to get some Joe built stickers so I can slap on the cars then. So people can stop asking me who I got my car done by. Baby, look at the sticker.
It's kind of cool that it feels like a street back here.
Yeah.
Like they're lining up to.
Look at that boy Joe right there, boy. Yeah, we gotta come home.
Scared.
Shit.
I'm scared they're gonna run me over.
But these lanes not going yet. They going from over here. Oh shit. Come over here. Come through. Hey man, hold it down, man. He got me. He got me 139.16, 139.29. I know.
Make your way over there to the Streetcar Takeover trailer and tell them you would like one of those t-shirts. They might not be here tomorrow. I don't know how many they
That's
ordered.
made off of cars.
Had a great time tonight. We're far from done, but I just can't.
Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Yeah, I already know. I had that one too. Alright. We got some.
How many go get a shirt, man?
Alright.
Huh? Well, you didn't give me a shirt.
They right there on the D3. Oh.
Fred, you ready?
Hey, look, man.
Go.
It's my first time we out here. We about to do it, though. Hey, look. We finna do it. We finna get this. Do this shit.
He broke out.
Mustang over there in the right lane was putting in
race has started to let Snelly take the lead.
End of a successful night, baby. Successful night.
Y'all ain't finna slide past that shit.
It was slide past what?
Man, look, I was sleeping because I got work tomorrow.
Oh, yeah?
You know what I'm saying? So man, look, I had to make myself
Man,
go to sleep.
what?
Killing me, bro.
End of a successful night, man. We went crazy. Oh, we went crazy. My baby was crazy.
Oh no, this motherfucking warrior right here.
Motherfucker, the boy took 84 miles, 2 days, nigga, 2 ways.
Hey, this you treat though.
They closed?
He ain't the people how you treat that nigga, man.
Man, that's why I looked at my reaction time. That's crazy.
Come on, nigga, hold on, watch this shit.
Hey, let me find out I'm made for this. But yeah, man, you know, just the end of a successful night, man. I'm glad my man Dave, you know, came out here. Hey, let me in. I'm gonna come in by myself.
Where your mom's at, nigga?
But yeah, you know, end of a successful night. Look at my number. I ain't never taking this number off. And it's white too. He must have knew I wanted my number again.
341. I remember that, nigga.
Man, and look, it's like he put powder on here. Look. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, yeah, it's the boy 302. We finna get up out of here. They turning the gas station lights off on us. Shit, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the video. Oh, I love the track now. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
I'm finna go pee in these woods, nigga. I gotta pee.